Hey guys, today we're gonna be trolling people with random items. So let's go.
Come tell me.
Okay,
Yeah,
first item
I'm ready.
is gonna be
Rat of the night. Rat of the night time.
Fully loaded. He's revolver. Come face me. Come on. Cause oh, I thought
the grenade.
I always did that. So going to mine. Come on. Hiding.
Rat of the night power.
Next item is a crowbar.
Go. Okay.
Epic fight moments.
Wants to go grind at Haunted Mansion.
No.
Mansion. See that?
Ah!
Pressure.
No!
Rod of the night.
Please! Please! Shave my feet!
By the way. Who's that guy? I'm fine.
Man. Oh, we killed each other. We killed each other.
Yeah, sure.
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wee.
Okay, next item.
What are you doing?
I'm making a video about trolling with every item in the game.
Oh! Oh my god, can I have it? Can I have it?
Let's see what's in it before we get back to the next item. What's in this bag? Yo! Bro! Yo! Yo! I don't even really want this, so bye-bye.
Rita, I can kill that
Can I kill me?
Guys, I got Rita.
Yeah, please. Kill him. If you're a good bounty hunter. Kill him if you're a good bounty hunter. So you're not a good bounty hunter. What?
Hey, Pink, I need to tell you something.
That's the real bro. Kill him! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
What you trying to do?
Fuck, I'm out with ammo,
What you trying to do? Okay. Hey, Yellow, I need to tell you something.
You're purple. Purple, you want that my little friend Money. Get up there!
What about to do? What about to do? What about? Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna eat your bag. Oh! Next item are the shotguns.
Retreat!
I
I can do it by myself! The grenade knife! Only for the grenade knife!
I didn't have any ammo!
It's a worthy sacrifice!
No!
Thank you.
I need ammo! I need ammo! I need ammo! Oh god, oh god. Oh god, I'm gonna die. Ammo. I got ammo.
Where?
Ah! Where did it go?
Attack, boys!
Start my expedition.
Let me get these guns, because I have
So
no
the
ammo.
next item.
Skill issue. I know your plot. You gotta shoot that sticky grenade at someone.
Yes. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? Yes! I didn't even get red one. Okay, next item. Did we already? Yes, we already did the cluster grenade. Dynamite.
1 sec! I can't fucking plan!
He's floating in the air.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air.
Why, man? It's a, yeah!
on, man.
Okay, next item that we're gonna be trolling with. Hold your hands.
You know what?
Come on. I saw your
I
face.
got a bone to pick with you.
Alright, fight me. Fight me.
Fight
There
me! I challenge you! I challenge you!
Everybody
That's
fight the
more.
bird. He's trying.
We're trying to fight here. Red watch! Gang up on the red watch!
Run! Everybody! Yes, red watch.
Oh crap!
I have red watch. Yo, I have red watch. I have red.
Ah, you tried!
Ah,
Just run, man. Run. I'll do this.
God,
you're
man,
gonna die.
it's kind of creepy.
You're gonna die, Black.
Ruh, Raggy, I'm kind of creepy. Ah! Wait. Next item. Next item, RPG ammo and a stick. Dude, that made me mad.
Please.
Alright, RPG
Yeah,
ammo.
everybody.
Hungry mole! Hungry!
Ow.
Big backpack.
Bone. Blue, wait! Wait!
I can give you one chance. I give you one chance.
No way it works. Ah!
What?
You want me a big backpack?
Please, my...
Yo, you. Can you buy me a big backpack?
Birdie!
Oh, I have a
Fight
perfect
me!
idea.
Yo,
What do you want?
can I have a big backpack?
Sure. Random please.
Look. Purple.
Wow.
Look what I.
What did you find?
Come here. Come look what I found. Oh no. Come look. Oh hell no. Oh hell no.
Yeah, who else is in ship?
Interception. I found the pancake and it exploded. It was on the floor.
What should the next item be?
I'm gonna commit. Oh my god, why did you so stupid?
Hey, no toxicity!
Someone just stole my grappler.
Black! I know you have red watch!
Stay completely.
Black!
Yo, can someone buy me
Hello.
another?
So much. Why?
Birdie! You're still alive? Bird, you're still alive?
I'm trying to get money.
Blue!
Money. Zero points.
Bro, I made friends.
Zero.
Chill.
Alright, bro, here for the battle. I need to get.
Well, guys, I guess that's the end of the video because I don't really have any more items, so bye!